I hope it's a late evening session, so I hope you are not sleeping. So let's wake up and let's talk about the green world. Okay. First of all, thankful to Allah to make this possible to speak in front of you. Thank you so much. So today I'm going to talk about the sustainable development on Web3, which is a kind of a use case solution we are building on a real world asset system. So first of all, God has gifted us a beautiful world to live and do all the stuff, but due to the selfishness, we are destroying our world. So world is on the edge of emergency. So it's a time to take an action for everyone to safeguard our world. So keeping that as a mission, even the global organizations like UNO, they have set a specific goals for every country to meet sustainable development as a SDGs. Sustainable Development Goals, that is 17 goals they have defined, that has to be met as under mission of 2030 for global sustainability. Now, exactly, we need to understand what is sustainability by meaning. The fulfilling the needs of current generation without compromising the future generation needs by using the renewable resources, natural resources, and also making sure that we create an economy, environment, and social being without impacting the future fulfillment. So that's called the sustainability, and anything we develop surrounding that fulfillment, we call it as a sustainability development. Now, because we are talking about the commercial part about sustainability, so we should understand what are the sectors which are economically supporting and creating the economical support for the different countries in terms of sustainability. These are different sectors. You can see the plantation sector, renewable energy sectors, transportation sectors, hospitality sectors, environmental sectors where we talk about the carbon credits and other trades, and industrial sectors where we go for a non-renewable, like renewable resources production, all those things. So these are the primary areas where we are targeting as a real-world asset tokenization under the ozone space environment. Now, when I talk about the Web3 and sustainability, there is no hi-fi science we are building here. Already blockchain, AI, Web3 integration has been done by the different masterminds. So what we are doing, we are utilizing those applications to support sustainability. Like we can use decentralized product life management and supply chain management by using the blockchain and the smart contract methodology. Secondly, DBMS, database management system for all different type products, and governance systems for sustainability projects on a blockchain. And very important point is real world asset tokenization. Until now, we heard about all the technology tokenization, but people are worried about the technology because they may not launch. But we are more focusing on our physical entities or physical projects with a concept called RWA, real world asset tokenization via smart contract and again NFT technology. Then again, yes, globalization and decentralized economy, another aspect about sustainability, because we want to go global, so we have to go decentralized, and again, globalization. Then definitely when we talk about the sustainability, people also love to do a wealth management system. Then only we can promote this kind of products and projects. And definitely we also require DeFi for innovation and research worldwide. So that is also playing a very important role of the Web3. And Web3 is also required to build a community and also the social management. And finally, very important is a decentralized autonomous organization, that is a DAO. So Web3 is going to play a key role to decision-making in selection of any kind of projects for governments or for the community via DAO system. So in this way, Web3 is going to support many of the aspects of the this industry. Now, with that kind of a vision, I'm representing in present of you the fintech protocol for sustainable development and wealth management, that is Ozone Space. Why name Ozone Space? Because we support environmentally projects which helps to emit the oxygen into the environment. With that, we are stitching back our ozone layer. That's why the name Ozone Space has been derived. So our website is ozonespace.io. Now, what exactly Ozone Space is all about? Ozone Space is a techno-commercial fintech protocol which is built on a blockchain and supports sustainable development projects, which has few important elements as a technology. First thing is the decentralized DBMS protocol for products or projects and even users and also portfolio, finance, and document and compliance management as a blockchain. Secondly, we are building a B2B and B2C marketplace for virtual asset management and also for the virtual investors. I think we call it as a crypto enthusiast. Then third, it acting as a global crowdfunding platform and growth rewarding platform. And when we talk about the crowdfunding, the fund goes to the physical projects, and that we provide the ownership for the people who invest into the projects via virtual contract that we called as a NFTs. Then finally, as a community, we can also act as an advertising and publishing house for the different sustainability projects or products they want to promote through our Ozone Space protocol. So totally it is a decentralized techno-commercial protocol as a Ozone Space. Now, talking about the very specific part of the system is about real-world asset tokenization. So first of all, we are building this complete database on a Polygon blockchain. That is the main foundation of that. And in that, all the whatever integration we're doing is completely Polygon. And under that, as a token economy, we have three major elements. There is an important part aspect. So we are not doing anything as a cryptocurrency here. Primarily, we are creating something called non-fungible token that is called eco NFT, which is nothing but a kind of a contract, not a kind of an image or not any kind of a uniqueness. It's just kind of a ownership in terms of contract, RWA. So we are creating the non-fungible tokens on Polygon ERC21. Then we have a second element called eco credits. It's kind of an internal unit. Whatever the revenue or profit generated against the eco NFT are paid in the form of eco credit, and one eco credit will be equal to $1 as a backup. So we have a proof of yield concept. So whatever returns what we are giving from this investment under the NFT, it is a proof of yield. Means whatever the real yield what we're getting, based on that, we create the eco credits. Then finally, we have the third element of the economy into system is called Ozone token, which is going to be a market token for the open public, but that is not a part of any investment or any kind of a portfolio system. So these three elements are self-driven, but the eco NFT is main product of the Ozone Space, which is really backed up by the physical projects, real-time assets. Now, how this system will work as a concept. Like eco NFT, first of all, as a RWA, we collaborating with a different type of projects like a plantation, renewable, electrical motor vehicles, or hydrogen, eco-hospitality, eco-industries, even carbon credits. That is a physical agreement will be done with those projects, and already we done with 2 projects, and that contract will be as a physical presence available as per the local jurisdiction's law. Then based on that auditing as a backup, we convert same thing onto the virtual environment as a eco smart contract, and that smart contract will be broken into small NFTs as a distribution for the global community. That will be audited and shared as a shared ownership. Anybody can buy these NFTs in terms of $100 to up to $50,000 as a shares. So now this acts as a product for the global market. Means via NFT, they are investing into the real-time projects as a virtual ownership here. Now, who are going to our customers? First of all, our customers could be banks or financial institutions and small investors. Even we are looking for farmers because they also need fundings to do their agricultures. Even there are some kind of wholesalers like industrials which supporting the renewable or plantation. So they also, so anybody can be a customer on our Ozone Space platform. Now, as a tokenomics, we are at the pre-launch stage. We are about to register our tokens and NFTs on exchanges like a centralized and decentralized, like a crypto index, CoinMarketCap, and that we'll do in November timeframe, CoinGecko, because we are talking about the DeFi. Our NFTs can be connected or bought via MetaMask Trust Wallet, and NFT marketplace will be going for OpenSea and Rarible, and we're in talk with a centralized and decentralized exchange to trade our Ozone tokens also, LBank, CoinStore, and decentralized web PancakeSwap and Uniswap. Now, many people ask, what is our revenue model? In many of the industries, only technology and tokens and transactions are going to revenue model. But in our case, our real revenue models are different here. First of all, we raise the funds from the sales of Eco NFT, which is a contract. Secondly, we use that fund to develop the lands and cultivate the plantations, different projects. So we are getting the long-term yield from the plantation. Third, we have an NFT trade where also, again, we generate the revenue. Then we have an Ozone Space marketplace where it's like an e-commerce, where we promote only a specific sustainable development or products or projects into system. From there also we get revenue, then advertisement, publication, and we own the lands. That's very important aspect. Whenever you do commercial projects, because that land has an appreciation price, then definitely we get great returns. And again, we have an ozone token sale coming up in future, not now, maybe after 1 year. And later on the run of 3 to 5 years, once we bring up our projects in a higher stage, then we can also trade our carbon credits to the global environment requirement. So in this way, we have a multiple revenue streams with which we can have a great financial backup as a business, not depending on technology completely. Now finally, what is the benefits, rewards people are going to get if somebody is owning the virtual contract ownership into the physical project that we called as a eco NFT portfolio reward. First of all, before getting into that, I want to give an introduction about the projects what we have now. The first project what we are building is a commercial plantation, which is in India, around 200 acres. It is completely an empty land now. So soon we are going to build around 200 acres of agroforestry with diversified crops. Okay, this is going to the first project. And second project, we are collaborating with another hydroponics plantation that is a kind of a greenhouse plantation for a leafy and vegetables kind of a stuffs that is also already in contact with us, and we are in the live this project. Now, keeping those projects as the primary concept, so we have created the NFT. One eco NFT is equal to $10. So anybody can buy these NFTs, means they are participating in this project indirectly. And on that basis, we have some return plans for the people who are participating into that. So now, what think future we are focusing next year onward? So eco-transportation, where electrical and hydrogen is going to be the biggest market now in sustainability industry. And also, we are in talk with the wind and solar companies to fund those projects and support those projects. So these are our future roadmap coming next year onward. Now, what is the ultimate benefit what you are going to get into the system? There are 4 types of benefit people who are going to own this eco NFT. First of all, they will get a kind of a 1 to 4% of returns monthly, which is based on totally onto the real yield, proof of yield, until 15 years. There are 2 periods in that. First period is 24 months, where people have a locking period, and they will get 1 to 4% per month, maximum up to 50% later the stage, but initially 1 to 4%. And overall, in 15 years, they can grow their asset to 20x. That is the one thing. But there's a flexible plan here, just like a normal corporate and banking plans. Like 2 years is a locking period, where you will make around 30 to 40% as a minimum returns. Maximum could be anything. But after 2 years, if you want to exit, you can trade your NFT like a bond, and you can get back your money from the system. So that means completely safe. And if you want to continue, you can continue 15 years also together. Along with that, they're also called, we have matured NFTs, and you can trade this into the open trade coin market also. Otherwise, there's another benefit called trade royalty, NFT royalty. If you are the first NFT owner, and if you trade those NFT multiple times into the open industry, the first owner who is holding the NFT always get a 5% royalty on the every successful trade of the NFT until 15 years of the period. That's kind of additional benefit for the first owner, apart from the 1 to 4% per month. And finally, we have the ecosystem benefits like eco marketplace and also eco hospitality. So like in the kind of agriculture forestry, we also develop resorts in terms of the eco tourism and healthcare. So the people who own the eco NFT, they have a provision to come and stay into those resorts free of cost, because you have privileged membership along with the benefit. And also in eco marketplace, you have a discount for whatever the products we are publishing as a marketplace. Now finally, As a marketplace, I want to showcase one of the product, which is the premium product, what we bought here also under the marketplace. This is the indoor vegetable growing greenhouse plant. It's a completely working on hydroponics. This is the one of the product we publish on our marketplace, which can grow 50 plus crops. Why I'm showing this? This is also one of the revenue model what we are generating into our Ozone Space as a physical product by doing a market of this. If you want to visit this product, you can visit our booth 14 outside, exactly the exit of this door, so you can explore this product. And finally, this is the fintech protocol of our system, totally what I've shown. So we are converting real-time assets into the fintech model via Web3 technology, where we are using the smart contract and many other systems together to make it possible. So we are in the pre-launch stage now, and December we are going to be official launch. And finally, yes, so if you I request you to visit our booth to get more information about this product. And if you want to connect me, you can contact me or email me on sarfaraz@ozonespace.io. Or if you want to become a customer to our website or our protocol, you can just go to ozonespace.io and become a customer for free. That will asking the kind of a sponsor username you can use as a Ozone World, and you can be a kind of a community member for us. So with that, I'm concluding myself and with a message that let's come together and save our Mother Earth by supporting the environmental friendly projects so that we and our coming generation should enjoy this beautiful world. Thank you so much, and see you at my stall. Thank you so much.